Beautiful babes, it's Sweet Angel. Well, this isn't Sweet Angel, this is a banana, and we're going to be talking about bananas today. Amazing, amazing bananas. Y'all know you can consume bananas for so many wonderful benefits. It's a great source of vitamin C, and it's also good for your skin because it contains manganese. And then there's health and heart benefits that are amazing for your blood pressure, heart health, because of its potassium. Now, I love gobbling down a great banana. A good fresh banana is awesome, yes, to consume and eat, and also it helps to improve my digestive system. Not only that, are you dealing with blood sugar issues? Well, bananas contain nutrients that moderate blood sugar levels. They contain so many wonderful nutrients that's also going to help me in my weight loss journey. But they're also powerful antioxidants. So many benefits. But let me tell you another secret. Bananas not only are nutritious and great for the body, but they're great for wrinkles. Absolutely. Banana peels are perfect for helping with fine lines and wrinkles because of the fact they are high in lutein, an antioxidant and carotenoid vitamin related to vitamin A. Yes, did you know that? Now, I spent a couple of days putting banana peel, rubbing it on my face after eating my daily banana. And y'all, I can't even begin to tell you. All I can do is show you. Just take a look at the skin. See, the lutein in the banana helps in protecting the skin against the damage done by the sun. With the use of banana peels, you can achieve acne-free skin, wrinkle-free skin. Honestly, listen, I would not tell you if I didn't use it. And that's why I show you each and every time what I'm doing. This is a routine that you can put to work for your skin. It's going to hydrate your skin from the inside out and give it a softer look. Let me just tell you what happens when you rub banana peel on your face. Rubbing a banana peel on your face will help to brighten the skin and reduce wrinkles. And also, if you place the banana peel on your closed eyes, it helps to reduce puffiness as well. That's something that I deal with all the time. Y'all know that if you are a long time VIP right here on the channel. I love using banana peels as a moisturizer to hydrate my skin. Just rubbing a banana peel on your skin, if you're dealing with acne scars, it's going to help to fade them. Now, all I do is just take a piece of banana peel and rub it on my face all over. You can do this until the peel turns brown. As it dries, your skin will actually absorb the nutrients and vitamins in the peel. Now, I leave this on 30 plus minutes, 30 or more minutes. Yes, leave it on until it dries. This is the most effective way to get the best results ever. Now, here's another secret. Banana peel can also help lighten up dark under eye circles. And if you also have large pores, using banana peels, which contain the antioxidant lutein, is definitely going to aid in helping to reduce the appearance of your large pores, reducing them to a great extent. Again, just rubbing the banana peel all over the affected area in a circular motion. Let it dry and then rinse your face with cool water. Perfect. And then always moisturize afterwards. And as I mentioned before, yes, for lightening dark areas, hyperpigmentation, dark circles under the eyes, because the banana peel has the high level of antioxidants and potassium, that is going to help lighten those areas and definitely reduce any dark circles and any acne scarring that you have. This is a great way. You can study more about it. Just do your own research when it comes to banana peels, and of course helping to soften the wrinkles, reducing fine lines as well. They are awesome. Banana peels are awesome for that, containing vitamin C and vitamin E, zinc, iron, and manganese. These nutrients can calm inflamed skin and reduce even acne breakouts. Amazing. So glad I discovered this. This is something that you can do every single day if you like. Occasionally I do it day after day, applying banana peel to the skin. It's definitely a go-to. Just one item, a banana, can do so much. The banana peel is amazing as it comes loaded with all of those nutrients and carbohydrates that's going to help the skin against wrinkles, fine lines, and skin blemishes. Very easy to do. And the other thing is, banana peels will help to tighten the skin and prevent premature aging. The presence of all of those vitamins in it, potassium and iron, makes the skin softer by hydrating it and boosting collagen production and helping in circulation. I'm just amazed. Your girl Sweet Angel, bringing it to you like no other. Subscribe, drop a like on the video, and definitely share it with a friend. I do appreciate it. Continue to do that. Yes, indeed. I appreciate you all so much for sharing me with your world. See you soon. Bye now.